Hey everyone, Cameron here. Anytime I see a platform that looks clean, sounds promising, and has decent production behind it, my first instinct is most of the time suspicion. And honestly, I think that's fair. Because in 2026, that's just how things are. Everything looks legit until you start using it and cracks start to show. So the question I keep seeing pop up around Sellvia is exactly that. Is it legit or is it just really good marketing? So today, let's actually talk about it. I think a lot of the skepticism comes from one core mistake, and I see it all the time with e-commerce platforms in general. People sign up, they don't get instant results, and immediately jump to this is a scam. And okay, I get it. When something's marketed well and you spend money on it and nothing blows up overnight, it feels like you got played, and that frustration is real. But here's the thing, that's an expectation issue. No legit e-commerce platform is going to hand you a business. That's not what they do. What they do is give you tools, structure, and a system you can actually work with. That's the whole job. The results part, that's still on you. So what does Sellvia actually give you? When you get inside the platform, it's not some black box where you have no idea what's happening. You can see the dashboard, you can see how the store tools work, you can see the product side of things and understand the logic behind how it's all set up. It's clearly built for people who want a more guided e-commerce experience. Like, here's the plan, follow it, don't overthink it. And that structure is actually one of the things I think people underrate about it. A lot of platforms give you maximum freedom and then leave you completely on your own to figure everything out. Sellvia is more like, here's the setup, here's how it works, here's how to move forward. Now, is that for everybody? No, probably not. If you're a veteran who wants to build something totally custom from the ground up, you might find it limiting. But for someone who just wants to get a working store set up without spending weeks in tutorial hell, that guided structure is genuinely useful. I do want to address the marketing angle directly because I think it's worth being talked about. Yes, Sellvia markets itself well. The platform looks polished, and when something looks put together, people assume there must be some catch. But like, a platform looking good isn't evidence that it's fake. That's just branding. Plenty of legit tools invest in how they present themselves. The actual question is, does the product back it up? And from what I can see, the platform does what it says it does. It simplifies setup, it gives you product access, it makes the process less overwhelming for people who are just getting started. What it doesn't do, and what no platform can do, is guarantee you're going to make money. That part's still on you, your traffic, your time, your effort. The platform is just the foundation. So, is Sellvia legit? Yeah, if legit means a problem with a real structure and an actual use case, then yes, it's legit. The more useful question is whether the model fits how you want to build. If you want something guided, packaged, and less chaotic to set up, Sellvia makes a lot of sense. If you want total control and love building from scratch, maybe it's not your thing. But writing it off as just marketing, that's not really fair based on what's actually there. All right, that's my breakdown of is Sellvia legit? I hope it helped out you guys. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.